Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Boost Up with Dr. Wamboi Gishigi. So today we are doing week 2 of the VA program. If it is your first time in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So basically, this is how my week 2 looks like. And the main things that we did on this week was to basically learn what being a VA means. A VA, or a virtual assistant, in a nutshell, is an employed or a self-employed professional who works remotely to provide efficient administrative, creative, technical assistance to a team or an individual. Or you can take it as a strategic partner who adds value and makes their client, this is, your boss, life easier by seamlessly completing specific tasks for the client, allowing the client to have more time and energy to focus on their goals. Basically, you're just an assistant, but you're doing everything virtually or online. And now that we know who a VA is, how did the role of a VA become to be? Or the opportunity of being a virtual assistant, how did it establish? Mostly this became like a lucrative type of job when Corona came, because people were not able to go to work and they had to work online. So most bosses, or owner of big companies, decided to get or to make the assistant work from home, and that is how mostly the virtual assistant role came to be. You might wonder, with the evolution of to AI, virtual assistant, the job not end or something? Is it something that will last for a longer time? But the good thing is, this is not something that will be affected by AI for such a long time, mostly because most people or most bosses want the human touch of in their work. Probably the AI cannot understand their accent, because they have the heavy mother tongue, and most of these ones they use English or French or something like that. And also, when it comes to problem solving and critical thinking, the AI might not be able to handle it like the human mind might be able to handle. And also, let's talk about individual empathy and emotional intelligence. Sometimes your boss just wants someone who can understand their situation, can understand their emotions, what they're going through at that particular moment. It's not always about work. Sometimes they want personal advice, and this is where you as the human intelligence, emotional intelligence comes in. So it's not something that will definitely be affected by the AI for a very long time. And also, individuals are quick to adapt to situations. There's a challenging or changing circumstances, individual people will be able to change quickly than AI will be able to do it. And also, let's not forget about creativity. People will always be creative as compared to AI. Now that we know what a VA means, why you should become a VA, and why the AI will not be taking our jobs anytime soon, let's talk about the skills and the tools that you need to become the best VA. First, there is the soft skills, there is the technical skills, and there are tools that you will need, to help you become a good VA. So basically, the soft skills are just attributes and traits and habits that you will need, to succeed in any workplace. It doesn't mean it's only for VAs, it's for every single person who works. You will need the soft skills. And also there are the technical skills, which are just abilities and knowledge of that specific field. And then there are the tools, which are basic software and AI aided applications. If you have watched this video so far, I hope you have subscribed. Make sure you like this video, and also leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me what are the soft skills that you think everyone should have in any workplace. It doesn't matter the career, but as long as you're working with people, which are the soft skills that you think every single person needs to have, or some of them that you think you might have or best work for you in any workplace. Let's see if you guess the right skills. So basically, here is a list of soft skills, technical skills, and the app that you will need to succeed as a good VA. Mindset, how to communicate. You'll be communicating with your boss, with your team, with your colleagues. The technical skills are basically what you will be doing in your work, like what are the skills that you need to get this job. These are managing a client's inbox, managing a client's calendar, scheduling, internet research, creating presentation. You'll need to know project management, travel research and booking, how to make itineraries, probably to transcribe, how to write emails, how to document, and data entry and expense tracking. Such technical skills are what you need. Another thing that really matters when it comes to becoming a good VA is your mindset. Do you have a growth mindset or do you have a fixed mindset? Let me know in the comment section, what mindset do you think you have? Let me explain a bit. The difference between a growth mindset and a fixed mindset is, a growth mindset, you're willing to learn things. You think if you fail today, you'll be able to practice and do better tomorrow. But when it comes to a fixed mindset, if you fail today, that is it. You have no willingness to learn. You're just there, you think maybe you're not intelligent enough. Another thing that will help you is grit. Grit means basically perseverance. You being able to persevere through hard things, through things that you don't like perseverance of doing this course till the end, and also looking for a job after. And it will take a lot of grit for you to be able to achieve all that. So there's something we call the prioritization matrix template. Basically, it is divided into 4 quadrants. This first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. These parts are the most important that you need to know. So the first quadrant is important and urgent. These are the things that you need to do first, or do it now. And then the second quadrant is important and less urgent. Here's examples. The third one is less important and urgent. They are things that you can delegate. They're important, yes, but they are not. They are less important, but they are a bit urgent. And then the last one, which is less important and less urgent. So you have important and urgent, you have important and less urgent, you have less important and urgent, and you have less important and less urgent. So if you're in the VA program and you come across this part, you're supposed to get a peer coach, meaning someone that you're in the same code. Meaning you'll come here to the community tab, you go to and by now you would know that you need to get a peer that you will be able to be doing this assignment with. You can come and post here you're looking for a peer coach or a partner, and once you get a partner, you come back to your peer coaching. So basically, when you're doing this, you will come to this part, the call, you'll get this template. I think you can be able to find it. Just go through it and note down the questions that you're supposed to ask your peer, like their name, their five strongest skills, and 5 skills that they think they can improve, soft skill, technical skills, and all that. You're supposed to do part 1. What I and my peer did. What my peer and I did was, we did part 1, like she asked me this question and she was writing my answers down, and then I asked her the same question, I was writing the answers down. Once we were done with part 1, we went to part 2, and same thing. Ask the first question, I would answer, she would answer, and I note it down. The second one, the same. It will take around 30 minutes, maximum 45 minutes, depending on your peers' answers. But that is basically what we did. You don't need to record. So you're supposed to do these answers on your Google Doc. So I am sure by now you know how to open a Google Doc. It will look like this. So you'll open a blank, and you'll create your answers here on your Google document. If you don't know how to open a Google document, probably by now, what you will do is you'll go to your email. This is my email, and then you will come here on this part, scroll down, you'll see Google Documents here, Docs, click there. It will bring you to this page. Open a blank one, and then the first thing you need to do is come here and change the title and write it peer coaching. Done. peer coaching. You will come here and, you know, as you answer the questions, you just type your question, answer, but the answers from your peer. Once you're done, you will come here and click share. It will bring you to this part. Here it is saying it is restricted, so click this part and share with the link with anyone. Then it will update, because you just want them to view. Don't change anything here, just leave it at view, and then that is done. Then now you can just share. You can copy the link, and you'll of course you will have to copy the link and come to back to your project. Here you'll copy and paste. You'll paste the URL and then save. So you'll do the same for this part, the skill tracker. You'll get a template and then you'll come in, just copy and paste, and that is it. So you'll be done with your week 2 assignments. So that is it for this lesson. I hope you guys, I hope to see you in the next lesson, which is a bit more detailed on the technical skills. Now you get to learn the things that make a VA, you know, the things that you should learn in school, of such as client calendar management, inbox management, and, you know, all other things, how to use Gmail, how to use a lot of things. Definitely Google in its big form. So yes, I hope to see you guys there. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and comment in this video. And until next time, thank you for tuning in Boss Up with Dr. Wambui Gishigi. Goodbye.